24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano generally is floating at $173,763,655 in an unpretentious manner. ADA most certainly acquired roughly 1.18% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which in every way that really matters, especially is very huge. Cardano's EMA sort of fundamentally shows a by and large for the most part descending pattern in an unpretentious manner amazingly. Cardano sort of shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in an exceptionally large manner, which is genuinely critical. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will by and large certainly walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for especially most certainly 1 week from now and actually generally attempt to answer these regularly fundamentally got clarification on some pressing issues. What is somewhat transient cost expectation for Cardano? Certainly in a real sense is ADA a kind of wise interest in a quite huge manner. Cardano support and opposition levels and so on in a genuinely huge manner. Yet, prior to jumping kind of profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly generally let us truly discuss the really current economic situations, most certainly especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the especially last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,20109556157. The kind of all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at $29,326,280,073 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking amazingly. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, essentially in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking in an especially enormous manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, showing how Cardano generally explicitly shows negative force throughout the end of the week, or so they explicitly thought, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, generally has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours. Sort of additional appearance how Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth in a sort of large manner in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the essentially really local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents in an extremely quite enormous manner, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a quite enormous way, which by and large is genuinely huge. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market quite is going in a descending heading for kind of transient in an entirely significant manner. Right now, an especially beautiful general commonly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume in a real sense basically remains at $29,326,280,073 pretty for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large certainly are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of fundamentally significant manner. Support entirely the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large become kind of more dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction by and large for the most part is a level at which merchants fundamentally move truly dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that Cardano's EMA by and large shows an especially descending pattern, which certainly truly is genuinely critical. Following fundamentally truly are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. Cardano execution ADA explicitly has recorded an upsurge, acquiring 1.18% in essentially most recent 24 hours. The reasonably extremely current worth of Cardano by and large is drifting at 36 cents with the exchanging volume of $173,763,655 USD in the equivalent time period in an especially huge manner in a fundamentally significant manner. The exceptionally generally market cap for ADA actually essentially is $12,671,638,226 USD while the coin cost changes 4.13% over the course of the week in a fundamentally significant manner. Cardano Value Investigation ADA Cost Examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside and in every practical sense. Day-to-day time period by and large especially made sense of underneath, showing how the decently truly all-out exchanging volume fundamentally remains at $29,326,280,073, which truly is genuinely critical. We utilize essentially relative strength index, moving pretty normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving fundamentally genuinely normal and remarkable moving truly normal to dissect the future development of the Cardano in an unpretentious manner for the most part. EADA, USD moving fundamentally normal combination and difference pointer especially sort of is demonstrating a very essentially present moment explicitly generally sell commonly signal as the MACD line in a real sense explicitly as moving. Underneath especially signal line which quite implies explicitly really bears basically are overwhelming on the lookout. Or so they especially thought. While ADA's Williams %R pointer fundamentally is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange reasonably essentially signal sort of basically is truly conceivable at this reach. So similarly, opposition quite is a level at which merchants basically for the most part become move genuinely dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting that Cardano's EMA essentially for the most part shows an extremely descending pattern in an unobtrusive manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13 and for the most part explicitly is attempting to buy and large break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength. Kind of additional appearance how XRP the sort of local coin of XRP for the most part is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The quick obstruction for ADA especially truly is in a real sense found at 40 cents, and a breakout from this level could generally fundamentally leads towards the truly next opposition, which can explicitly be in every way that really matters, for the most part found at 42 cents, exhibiting that Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition very are significant specialized pointers used to by and large distinguish certainly lovely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner, in a kind of significant manner. On the by and large other hand, in the event that the bear generally assume command in ADA cost in a real sense neglects to especially break out above 40 cents, it could fall back towards the urgent help at 35 cents, which explicitly sort of is genuinely critical, or so they thought. Ends ADA cost by and large especially is moving in sideways heading, which especially explicitly is very critical. The fight between the bulls and the truly bears can bring about moving the coin cost in one or the other course, so support sort of is a level at which purchasers for the most part become in every way that really matters, all the more beautiful dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in a kind of in every practical sense, significant way, or so they thought. In any case, the financial backers quite the most part are sitting tight for Cardano to generally take a one-directional action to make an actually especially great section in the market amazingly basically.